Yeah.
This is Scott with Classic Air Care Sutter Plumbing, running a camera at 4427 Lindscott out in Winston Terrace. We just put in a clean out in the yard and we cabled the line. Nobody is home, so I was unable to run water through the line, so there will probably be residual roots in there. So I'm running the camera down the vent, and I'll run it in towards the house and out towards the street. You can see at the bottom is some roots that we were cut out. I'm resetting the counter, and I'm running it in towards the house. Got the tree roots right there. Just went past, it was cut out. Still going in towards the house. So far everything is looking real good. Still going inbound. Here we hit a little bit of water right there. Just a little sag in the pipe. Still going inbound. Hit more water. You can see a little bit where the tree roots were. Here we just got a low point in the line where it holds water. Looks like some back sloping. Right now the camera head is underwater. And we are at the transition. We are inside the cast iron. I'll pull it back. Got a little bit of, looks like some roots coming in through the cast iron. Still coming back. The camera head is underwater. Coming back. And you see where all the roots were cut out. Still coming back. Should be coming up on the repair site, which right here is the transition between the clay and the PVC that we just installed. Still coming back. And we are at the T in the line. Run the camera back, and now we are going to go out towards the street. Reset the counter. We are going outbound. Picking up some residual roots that we cut out. Still coming back. We're going outbound. I was able to get a 6-inch blade through the line both ways. Still going outbound. Here we kind of run underwater, covering the camera lens with a bunch of dirty water. Like I said earlier, I was unable to flush the line due to nobody being home, so I was unable to run any water. And we are making our turn into MSD. There's the City Y, and I'm going to go ahead and bring it back. You can see the inside of the line where we cut through the roots. Still coming back. Everything is looking real good. It's still coming back. We are coming towards the repair spot in the line, which is right here. You got plastic and PVC, or I'm sorry, clay and PVC. Coming back, and we are coming out of the clean out in the front yard. There's the clean out in front of the house.